I'm at Lvtopsun office today, and yeah, we have a new baby in the house. This is the new baby in the house. You can see this is LVTS 512314. That means 314 amp hours inside, and we have a 16 kilowatt batteries here. Let's unbox it now. So you can see it's the Chinese person that is unboxing for me today. Okay, good. So as usual, they always come with their manuals. Interesting. So you see, this is it. Cables for sure. You get it with Lvtopsun cable, 2 cables. See the lock this time around, and see the cable. This is a very quality cable lock. Okay, so this is very good. Let's see the battery itself. Oh, so this is how it looks. Wow, so they changed the design of the screen, so we have a silver ring around it, and also there's LED light. You don't want to look at the screen, but you want to see the state of charge, so this will light up. So we'll turn this up now, and yeah. Wow, this is massive, but in a very compact form. Let's welcome the 16 kilowatts. Right. Okay, so now interesting thing, we are now have a breaker. Many have been requesting for breakers. We got it now. Okay, so on and off breakers, power button. This is the negative, this is the positive. So dual terminal, very interesting. So parallel to parallel battery is now very easy. So you can parallel one battery to the other easily. Okay, so you can see now this is some protection here. So this should be IP66, right? Or IP65. What's the IP rating for this? Because IP65, yes. Okay, IP67 actually for this breaker box. And yeah, so you can see everything is sealed. We have the link in, link out. We have the inverter. So this goes to the inverter, and we have the earthing bar here. So this is the specification. You can see 314 amp hours. You can see the BMS can discharge 200 amps, and this is 16.07 kilowatt hours. All right, so interesting. Power on. Okay, wow, the blue LED light. So with this state of charge, you can see we are almost halfway, but it's 53%. Okay, so we are on idle now. This is idle, and you can see, let's see the screen. Okay, we are used to this before. They've tested one cycle, 53%. These are the environments. We know all this from the previous version. Okay, so this is the G4. Okay, good. So accessories that comes with it, cables, and also we have the communication cable and the user manual. Okay, so I'll be doing the full review of this. This is just the unboxing, so I'll be doing capacity test in few days time. Okay, let's go.